Alright, so we have our third example here, and this one has fraction. But it's okay, it's still going to be the same thing as numbers, just following the same process. Since we have a big expression, we're going to identify our smaller groups, so that way we don't mess up or mix up when it comes to distributing and combining like terms. Open parenthesis, and then change it to open bracket. After that, it's going to be close bracket. So from open bracket to close bracket, first group. Next is open bracket again, close bracket. So again, open bracket to close, that's our second group. And then close parenthesis. Don't forget we have a minus 7/3 on the outside. So in our first group, we have a 3/4 in front, so I'm going to distribute it to everything inside the bracket in the first group. The second group, I have 1/4, I'm going to distribute to everything inside the second group. Alright, so I'm going to bring down to 2, open parenthesis. Now when I'm distributing, these variables and these numbers are whole. So what I'm going to simply do is multiply both of them to the numerator. So 3 times x is simply 3x over 4. 3 times minus 5 will be simply negative 15 over 4. So again, all I did was just multiply to the numerator. That's all I did. And I dropped the bracket because I finished distributing. Now positive 1/4. Simply going to multiply 5x and plus 7 to the numerator. So 1 times 5x, positive 5x over 4. And then 1 times positive 7, so it's going to be positive 7 over 4. Close parenthesis, minus 7/3. Alright. From there, I'm going to combine like terms. So let me underline my variables twice and my numbers once. I'm going to combine the variables first. So let me bring the 2 down, open parenthesis, 3x4 plus 5x4. So I'm just simply going to combine the top. The reason I can combine them right away is because they have same denominator. So again, when it comes to subtract and add fraction, must be same denominator. In our case, we are lucky that they are same denominator right now. So 3x4 plus 5x4 will be 8x over 4. And then negative 15 over 4 plus 7 over 4, that's going to be negative 8 over 4. Close parenthesis, minus 7/3. So from there, I can actually simplify the fraction because 8 can be divisible by 4. Same thing here. So it's simply going to become 8x divided by 4, that will be 2x. Negative 8 divided by 4, minus 2. Close parenthesis, minus 7/3. Now from there, I was able to simplify the big group into the small group, 2x minus 2. We still have that 2 on the outside. I am going to distribute to everything inside the parenthesis. So 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times minus 2, minus 4. Minus 7/3. Now, when it comes to combining a whole number with a fraction, again, this is the same thing as what we did in the previous sections. So I'm going to write it over here because I'm running out of space. 4x. What I'm going to do is I'm going to convert minus 4 into a fraction. So it's going to be 4 over 1 minus 7/3. So from there, I need to make sure I have same denominator. In this event, we do not yet. The common factor or common denominator between 1 and 3 is 3. So the only thing I need to change is this fraction for 1. I'm going to multiply top by 3 and then the bottom by 3. So when I do that, it's going to be 4x minus 12 over 3 minus 7/3. So when I combine these two numbers, 4x stays the same. It's going to be negative 12 minus 7, which is negative 19 over 3. So I simplified this whole big expression into 4x minus 19 over 3.